eternity later.
Fucking around on it. So I did a walk around on that car, and it's an HR swap, wide body. So I'm gonna be dropping this off to the body shop. It's gonna be getting some prep for the wrap. Mocked up the side skirt actually. I'll open the door. But mocked it up. The tow truck should be here any minute, and it's gonna come pick up the car. And then it's gonna take it to the body shop actually. So excited to see. Hopefully the next clip you guys will see it maybe prepped, or probably just finished overall. Check it out. Looks really sick. So that's just what's going on in the shop right now. So far for my car, it's been pretty chill. It's been running pretty good, as I've been saying from the last video. I'm really proud. I ran the C7 Vet, and that was a Grand Sport 2019, and I did not expect the outcome for that to happen. So I'm really happy for what the G35 is doing. Especially it's a VQ35DE. It just goes to show you that these cars are good cars, man. And you know, that cylinder head design is like, it's just asking for boost. But the thing is, like, I like how it's how underappreciated it is. Good and a bad thing. I love how people don't expect it. I just drove by a Hellcat, a red eye, and the look on his face was so hilarious, man. But yeah, it was a really nice red wrap on it, nice Hellcat. And then another guy with a BMW. He was like mesmerized by the sound that it was making. Especially if you guys think that, like, a lot of guys just don't like the VQ at all. They get rid of it and do like different swaps. It's not flawed enough to get like rid of the whole entire thing. As you guys can see, it has so much potential. So yeah, guys, I'm happy. I'm enjoying my car. Thank you guys for watching the videos. I know I've been posting, you know, once a week, so that's my goal. And if I can get you guys any type of video, any video at all, I'll post it, because my goal is to have once a week at least for you guys. So I do work a regular job. I am a service technician, and I work on cars for a living. So I kind of get tired all the time, but I'm trying to just fight through that, and hopefully you guys will like the videos, and hopefully one day we'll make it out of there, and then we can add to the garage. But yeah, thank you guys, and those guys that I've met in person, thank you guys for watching the videos. You guys are hella awesome. I can hold down a conversation with you guys for however long you guys want. Any questions or concerns or whatever you guys are not sure about, I try to answer it to the best of my ability for you guys. And you know, I just want to share the experience, and hopefully you guys can do the same thing. And my boy's 6-speed Z34, and that cinematic video will drop pretty soon. I'm pretty sure he's done with it. He's gonna send over the email pretty soon, and I'll upload that. But thank you guys for watching the videos. We just hit 13,000 subscribers, and the goal is for 20,000 by the end of the year. So keep watching, guys. Keep the thumbs up, comment. It helps the video quite a bit. So Thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate the support. Thank you.